Hey guys, Bing here. Today we're going to model a Christmas tree. Okay, so actually we're going to model something like this, the Dale Chihuly style Christmas tree. Maybe look like this one. Okay, so let's start. First, create a new generic model adaptive. And place one point and make it adaptive. So then place another point, set work plan, draw a work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan and place it on this adaptive point and select this new point, drag it up. So now in the offset we're going to create a parameter. I'll call it L for length. Okay, so instance, OK and OK. Then select these 2 points, spline, reference line. Okay, so next we're going to place some point, okay, on this reference line. Draw on face and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roughly. Okay, so and now let's create let's draw some circle reference line on these points. Okay, so reference circle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick the work plan. Okay, so pick this work plan and draw a circle here, and then repeat, set, draw, set, draw, set, circle, and set work plan, and another circle, set work plan, another circle, set work plan, another circle, then the last one, set and circle. Okay, so now we need to adjust the radius. Okay, actually I'm going to place create the shape of that that thing, the what's that called, I don't know what it's called, but we'll create that shape first and then we'll try to adjust these radius of these circles. Okay, so now draw a point, draw on face, and let's just place point. So you can roughly tell. So try to create the the spiral shape. And the last one, so we'll use this point 1. So that's fine. So now select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points and spline reference line. Okay, so this will be the part of that shape, and let's create the profile. Okay, so point, so draw on face and then create a point on this spline, and then reference circle, draw on work plan, set work plan, and set the work plan of this point and create a circle. And now we're going to change this to maybe 10, or it's quite a small one, right? And copy and select this point, pick new host. So the next point, I guess it's roughly in the middle. And now we need to copy CC and pick new host. So this one will be at this point 1. So first I'm going to change the size for this, maybe 200. Maybe that's too big. 100. Okay, and then select this point, change this to 0. So for this one, I'm going to maybe change it to 50, maybe Okay, so and also the point, I'll make it in the middle of this spline, so 0.5. Now if I select this profile, control select this one, and control select the top one. Where is the top one? Oh, it's here, so that's fine. And also make sure you tab, see, only select this curved spline and control select it, and then create form. Okay, so maybe now we can move this point, typing 1 to go up to the top. And if you want to, you can just reduce the radius of this circle, maybe to 2. So yeah, and maybe I'll change this to slightly smaller size, 50. And for the middle one, I'm going to maybe change it to maybe 30. Okay, so that's it. That's the one. And also, let me just drag this because for now it's quite skinny. I want to reduce the length. So if you can see, if I reduce the length, so it still keep the all the radius of this. I think this scale is quite okay. Yeah. So now I want to when I adjust this length, I want all this shape. It also increase all the radius. So what we need to do is we need to figure out. So this is a part. Maybe I'll just change it to 2 meters, so it's easier for us to calculate. So I'll make it 2 meters. Okay. So now if I want to keep the the scale, and what I need to do is we just need to create all these. Maybe let me think. They are all okay. So maybe all these one can be the same radius. So okay, so maybe I'll have one, or maybe I'll have some of them with different radius, but 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I think we can have same radius. So click on this circle and create a radius. So also this one, and this one, and this one, and then select all these radius and create I'll call it R1. Okay, so R1 instance. Okay, and then so the rest, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and actually for this one I'll probably just keep it quite a small number, because I want to, so maybe 10. I want this part relatively straight instead of go out. Yeah, so maybe I'll just have 1, so radius, this one radius, this one radius, and then 1, 2, 3. I'll create another radius parameter. I'll call it R2. Okay, so let's go to family types. R1. Let me try R1. If I change R1 to 200. Okay, if I change R2 to 400, maybe too much, 300. Okay, so that's roughly, I think that's okay. And then because I want the R1 and R2 to follow the L, so I can just type L divided by 10. So for this one, it's roughly L divided by 7. Okay, so close enough, and okay. So now if I change the length of this shape, you will see it also increase the horizontal size, the width. Okay, so the only thing doesn't change because the the profile of this shape, because for now I don't have any parameter, any radius dimension for them, so I'll just leave it for now, because I think let's try and place this in onto a Christmas tree and see how it works. Okay, so now let's create a conceptual mass, and so go to a elevation. Okay, so we will need one reference line, so I'll draw one here, and another one will be the shape of this Christmas tree. Okay, so I'll just draw a arc. Maybe, let me think how tall it will be. 20 meter? 20 meter. Don't know, maybe. And the shape will be something like this. Okay, so this is the structure of the tree, and then we will place all those family onto it. So now select this together with this line and create a form. So now we'll see this is our Christmas tree and the structure of this Christmas tree. So now select this mass and divide surface. So now we'll say, and maybe change this to 20, maybe. Okay, so 20, and then go here, turn on the nodes, so we can go back here, load this family into this here, and then place it on the tray. It goes to the inside, that's fine. Just select this family and check the flick. Okay, so now it goes this way. So if I click repeat, so you will see now we have all these. But the only thing, the problem we have is they are all the same. Yeah. So probably we need to manually. So hang on, let me just, because my computer is very slow. I'll need to reduce the number. I'll just reduce the number to 5 and 5 for now. Okay. So now we have these. Okay. We will need to. So if you tab select one of them, so you will see we have a length. So we can change it to. So this is the length. So actually, because we have a repeating, so this is a repeater now. So which means it will change altogether. So if I remove this repeater, and then for individual one, we can change the size. Yeah, it won't affect others. So what we need to do is, so one is the length of this, and another one, I think we need to rotate it. Okay, so first we're going to just edit this family. So to rotate this family, so I'll temporarily hide this HH. So we will need a parameter. Select all the points. So hang on. I think this one, yes. So and control select all the middle points, and also this one. Make sure you select this one. And last, I don't think the adaptive point will be able to rotate, so that's fine. So all these points in the middle on this reference line, we select them and create this rotation parameter. I'll call it A. Instance OK and OK. So now if I go to family types, let's try. So we have this A radius, rotation angle. So if I type 90. Yep, so you will see the shape, the change, so shape changes. See, good. So now we have load this family into this Christmas tree, and now we have two parameter we can use to change the shape. So one is the length, the overall size. So for example, 6 meter for this one, and the other one is the rotation angle. So we can change it so they will look different. Okay, so now we just need to create a Dynamo and new. So Revit selection family type. Okay, let me just change that to menu for now. So if I see this one, family 4, and also all elements of family type. Link this, run. So, and then you will see we have 36 of them here. Okay, so now we need set parameter by name. Okay, and link this and the parameter name. So there will be two of them. So one is L and one is A. So I'll double click, quote L, capital L, and another one will be A. Okay, so of course we will have Control C, Control V. So we will have two of this set parameter, and I'll link L to this one and A to this one. Okay, so now the value. So we will need some list for the value. So for the L, so let's have a look at L. L is the length. So I'm going to double click here, and then I'm going to use 3 meter to maybe 6 meter and every 100. Let's see how many. So if I click run, that's 31. That's not enough because we have 36 for this one, and eventually we will have more because now I'm just doing this because my computer is too slow. So maybe I'll make 300. So which means I'll times 10. So I'll use a cycle and link this list. Double click 10 and link this. If run, it becomes a 300 list, and then I'll just use shuffle. Okay, link. So now this is the list for L. So we will need another list for A, which is the rotation angle. Let's have a look of this angle. The angle will be, I believe it will be from 0 to 360. Okay, so now I'm going to double click 0, 360, maybe 359. Okay, and every 1 degrees. And also because now we have 360, so this is enough, and I'm just going to use the shuffle. Oops, where's my shuffle? Yep. So now this is the list for the A. Now if I link this to here, A, and link this to B, let's see what happens if I click run. So you will see they all different now, right? And if I change this to 20 and 10, yes, because I removed the repeater, it won't automatically fill all these. So what I need to do is just I'll just delete most of them and only leave one of them. and click on repeat. So, and then if I click on run again, and this will take a few seconds, I believe. Still thinking. Yep. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. So altogether 231, and then they all have different different length, different angle, and oh, sorry, my computer's very slow. Yeah, I think that's it. So a little exercise about adaptive family. So and a little bit Dynamo. So this is the Christmas tree. Oh, that's very slow. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Or maybe upload this family for you so you can have a look. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Or if you want to have a look of this, it's quite simple. Just you can have a look. You can stop here and do a screenshot. Okay, thank you. Bye.